I see the inside. Good, juicy.
Hello, everyone.
Our YouTube channel. Mama.
Mommy,
Beautiful, right? Hey guys, welcome to the SS Farm Kitchen. Today I'm going to be making this quick recipe of chicken, and this is nighttime video. Nighttime is night, yeah. So this is just my kitchen light. I hope you enjoy the video. So first thing first, you see the quantity of chicken we have here. So you use your ingredients according to the quantity of the food you are cooking. So so this is onions. This is 2 large onions you are seeing here. So now use any salt of your choice, and this is all purpose. So I have it here so I can show to you. It's Goya all purpose, Goya adobo. So the next ingredient that is going in is chicken, not chicken. So just take a spoon according to what you are. This is Scotch bonnet pepper, and if you know that you cannot handle spice, use one or omit it. But obviously in this house we dey handle spice well. So that's the Scotch bonnet pepper. This is ginger. So I cut some. After cutting them, then I chop it into smaller pieces with the knife going chop, and I let these 2 crunch like this so I can take it out when the food is ready. This recipe is dope. Everybody that eats it always testify. So here we have garlic. This is like 12 garlic cloves because what I'm cooking is much, and I love garlic and ginger. And this lots of onions. Oh my word! With this pepper, it will take this chicken to another dimension. So now, Merry Christmas is Vlogmas. This is 2 nut cube and 2 Maggi cube. Just like this is bay leaf. I'm just gonna go ahead and put 2 large bay leaf inside. Just like that. This video is not sponsored. Now that I'm showing everything that I'm using, I'm doing it for the sake of this, my friend. So this is Ducos curry. It's the curry that I like using. So just go ahead like that. It's much. If yours is not much, you can use it small. And this is Ducos thyme. I got that from African store. I will be very generous with my time. What I'm going to be doing next is showing you guys the soy sauce seasonings that I'm going to be mixing together. This is no bovre. We have the beef and we have the chicken. So I'm going to be putting a little bit of this, in this bowl. And also, it's still the same no bovre. This is vegetable. These 3 combo is going in this bowl. And here is a soy sauce. I'll add a little bit of it, and this is please guys, excuse the noise, my kids are really building. This is Maggi seasoning, a little bit of it here. So you see all this I just showed to you there. I'm going to put a little bit of it here so that when I eventually put inside my chicken, you will not be saying, oh, what is that black thing? This is the combo I'm about to use. Okay, let me mix it. I'll show you guys. So guys, this is the whole combo. See, just stir it together like that. So this is the whole soy sauce. Then just like that. So now that I'm done with this, some people like putting on gloves in their hand. You see, all this while I'll be doing this, I did not turn on my cooker. So some people like wearing gloves in their hand and massaging it in. Some people will use spatula just the way I'm doing it now and rub it in. Some people will use their bare hand and rub it in. So the mission here is go ahead, do whatever suits you, rub everything in. So I'll see you when I'm done with that. So guys, you see, just like that, now that we're done stirring, all we need to do is put the lid. At this point, I just set my gas for a little bit higher than medium. So this is a good choice of pot for me. My pot does not get burnt, so I'm going to put the lid. I'm not going to overcook it before I remove it from fire, so I'm just going to let it boil up. We'll see you guys later. Look at that, guys. Man, right now my kitchen smells heavily amazing. You have to be careful. If not, if you go and start stirring like a let me not use bad word, you will make a mess of your chicken. See what I'm doing? Just go underneath it and flip, because the damp part is almost ready. So just go like that underneath it and flip. See? Wisdom. Go underneath it and flip. If you go and start stirring it, before you know, your chicken will break up and down. Especially all these abroad chicken, not they strong like our Nigerian chicken. When you go chop bone, you will keep on. Next week you continue again. The bone still there. My husband say, I trust you say very bone like that. Up till now, guys, I still have not added water. As you can see, the chicken is the one producing all the water. Keep cooking. So let's check it again. Oh, look at that. Did you see that color? So guys, if you are cooking this recipe and you have fresh rosemary and fresh spring onions, oh my god, don't omit it. Add it to it. It will smell amazing, because I use fresh rosemary and spring onions, but today I don't have it. I make it with what I have. So now that the chicken is looking this cooked, this is what we want. It's cooked enough like this. So just going to make sure everything is well cooked. So now you see we are not stirring again. We don't need any spatula. So now it's well cooked. I'm just going to start removing from the fire. Everybody knows the way they like their chicken like that. So guys, let me know, make the video unnecessarily long. So I'm just going to get them out from the pot like this. Then I'm going to set my oven for 400. Then we'll start grilling it. Okay guys, this is 2 sets of pan here. And I have another one here. So I'm going to put them in the oven. I already set my oven for 400. Okay guys, this is how I set it in my oven. First layer, second layer and third one. We'll set our oven for 400. We're going to close it until it's dry. I'll be monitoring it. You cannot just put something in the oven and leave it. I'll keep monitoring it until it is golden brown the way I like it. So it depends on how you like yours. If you want to fry yours, the choice is yours. And if you want to put it in the oven for grilling, the choice is yours. So now I am grilling my own, but I'm not using grill because grill will come from up. I'm using bake. Let's allow the chicken to dry up. Thank you for watching, Nessa's Farm. Love you all. See you when the chicken is ready. Look at that. Look at that gorgeousness. You can't say mine. Look at that, guys. So guys, what I did not show you guys was that when I left it like this in the oven, I have flipped it, then drain out the water. So when you are drying when you are drying the chicken, you see excess oil or water, you drain it out. And you can use toilet paper to damp it dry. So everything will keep drying up. So like, I think the upper one should be ready. Like this. When you turn it like this, both the inside is all dry. So it's still in the oven, it's drying. So I'll just quickly explain the procedure to you guys. Look at that. I will make sure both inside and outside is grilled the way I like it. So, but we are almost at the verge of finishing. Like this one is almost ready. So I'm gonna have to put toilet paper like that. So I'll be picking them one by one. I'll put it. So that's the first one. So this is the front side of. So I put lots of toilet paper. See the back. This is the front. This is the back. So I kept toilet paper on it, so I can the remaining oil can completely drain out. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe if you haven't already. You will give grilling a try. And this Christmas, now every time fry. See the inside? Good, juicy. So This Christmas, go ahead, give grilling a try, but if you prefer frying, go ahead. Fry it, nothing will happen. So, peas. Just literally empty the chicken from here. You see, all the toilet paper are soaked. That's because I want any excess oil to drain out of the chicken, which I have accomplished successfully. And look, this is how I normally store it, because I know some of you will be asking, oh, how do you store it? So I normally put them in the biggest Ziploc bag that you can get on the market. If you don't have Ziploc bag, so I try to use this, so you know, say, okay, I do not have Ziploc bag. That's the reason you store it here. So now I'm going to just put it in my freezer, not in the fridge. Put it in my freezer, so it will be frozen. Anytime you want, just take one, put it in the microwave, defrost it. That's what I normally do. Thank you so much for watching. We love you. Peace. We out.